Getting started with a new platform can feel overwhelming, but what if you can go from sign up to your first outbound call with a clear path every step of the way? Introducing the new Start Calling homepage from BatchDialer, a streamlined onboarding experience designed to help new users get set up, stay organized, and start dialing faster. Now, when the trial and admin users who haven't made their first outbound call log in, they are greeted with a guided homepage that helps them get started. At the top of the page, users are guided through a clear step-by-step onboarding checklist that covers the essential setup tasks to begin calling, including importing leads, adding phone numbers, and launching your first campaign. Additional setup options like calling scripts, setting up voicemail, and scheduling onboarding sessions are also available to help users get the most out of the BatchDialer experience. But the Start Calling homepage does more than just guide users through the setup. Users can quickly check their phone health to see how many numbers are healthy, flagged, or still available to claim. This gives users immediate visibility into the status of their dialing setup and help them maintain a stronger caller ID performance from day one. They can also monitor campaign activity through the campaign snapshot, which displays key performance metrics like leads generated, connected calls, total number of outbound calls, and average call duration, all without leaving the homepage. And if extra help is needed, the dedicated training and support section provides quick access to onboarding sessions, educational resources, tutorials, community support, and live assistance from the BatchDialer team. The goal is simple: reduce the learning curve, eliminate uncertainties, and help users start making calls with confidence from day one. Start your free trial today and see how the new Start Calling homepage helps you launch, learn, and start calling all in one place.